The biggest decider between the trucks might be cost. Ford is only offering its diesel engine on higher-end trims, which means that the cheapest diesel F-150 starts at $46,315. That's for a two-wheel drive Lariat extended cab with a 6.5-foot bed. Ram, on the other hand, offers the diesel in everything from its ultra-bare-bones tradesman pickup, allowing for a base price of just $28,585, up to the fancy Laramie Longhorn and limited trims. Ram's diesel is also available with all cab variants, while Ford's is only offered in extended and double cab body styles. So on paper, it seems Ram is the way to go if you're on a bit of a budget, or want more freedom in body configuration, while the Ford may be the way to go if you're in need of outright towing and hauling performance. More significant differences become apparent in the payload towing area, both of which put the Ford at an advantage. The F-150 Powerstroke can carry 2,020 pounds of cargo, or tow 11,400 pounds. The Ram EcoDiesel, depending on configuration, can carry 1,100 to 1,600 pounds of cargo, and tow between 7,560 and 9,210 pounds. Fuel economy might go to the Ford if it hits the company's target of 30 miles per gallon highway. That would beat the Ram's 27 miles per gallon highway. We don't know what Ford's target city MPG is, but the Ram manages 20 in town with two-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive drops the city rating to 19 miles per gallon.